Welcome to the React programming course. In this course, we'll explore React, a leading JavaScript library for building user interfaces. We'll start by understanding what React is and setting up our environment with Create React App. Next, we'll dive into JSX, which lets us write HTML within JavaScript. You'll learn about React components, the essential building blocks of your app, and how to use props to pass data between them. We'll cover state management for handling dynamic data and event handling to make our app interactive. You'll see how to use conditional rendering to display content based on conditions, and lists and keys for rendering dynamic lists. We'll work on forms to handle user input and explore lifting state up to share state between components. You'll learn about lifecycle methods to manage component lifecycles and React hooks for state management and side effects. Custom hooks will help you reuse logic across components. We'll also cover the Context API for managing global state, React Router for navigation, and Axios for data fetching. Advanced state management with Redux and handling asynchronous logic with Redux Thunk will also be included. We'll explore React fragments for grouping elements, styled components for writing CSS and JS, and how to test your components effectively. We'll use React developer tools for debugging, focus on performance optimization, and learn how to deploy your app. Finally, we'll introduce TypeScript to add type safety to your React code. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation in React and be ready to build powerful applications. Let's get started. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights.